And we are live. What's going on, guys? Long time no see. Well, it's just been the weekend basically. But we're back, man. We're back. We've had a freaking killer week. Absolutely insane. And announcement. Greetings, my friend. Welcome. Greetings. We have had an amazing week last week, and we've had a freaking killer Monday today. Beautiful trade. I'll break it down for you guys right now. Just give me 2 seconds. Just organizing everything here, making sure I am okay. Copy. Okay, boom. Copy link. Boom. And let's go to Telegram. Boom. Okay, guys, what's going on? How are we, everybody? All right, so today was Monday. Today we had an amazing trade here. Oops, we've had an amazing 40 pip trade. 1 to 2 on almost 1 to 2.5 stops just below here, below the wick. For safe purposes, we was, you know, a little bit under the wick. After this wick formed, I was like, yeah, it's gotta be below, but I didn't want price to come literally break the wick and then fly to the upside. So yeah, that didn't happen, and straight to TP. That was on UJ. So amazing trade. You guys will probably see the results right here. Boom, trade ideas. I sent a trade straight after the wick. Boom, stops below. Boom, and literally TP1 and full TP a few hours later. Was absolutely beautiful day. All right, so what are we looking at going forward? Let's see. Let's start on the daily. New day have started. As always, we start on the dailies. Ooh, this is interesting. Hold up. Okay, we know on the daily we bullish, so there's no question about that. However, we haven't made a higher low point, and we're now coming down to make that higher low point, right? We know that. Okay, so now here is our newfound daily resistance. Right there we have a newfound daily resistance. So, and we know on the daily we are retracing on the fib. Okay, so now we're done with the daily. I don't care too much about the daily. I just want to know whether we're retracing, are we trending, are we retracing, what's happening. Okay, 4 hour time frame is where it gets interesting. Last market structure point was up here. The last high was there, the last low was there, and price has been retracing on the 4 hour time frame, and it just gave us a bullish engulfing on the 4 hour. Now that tells me one thing, that sellers are not in control of this market yet. To sell it down to TP. Therefore, I would expect to a little more like deeper pullback, deeper towards like the 78 and 88 retracement, and maybe to really close this gap. It did close here, but I don't know, we'll see. Maybe it'll close there. Okay, so 4 hour, we've made the leg, we've made the impulse move. We are now doing the retracement. We made a low, high, high, low, high, high, coming down for a higher low. Now that is all on the 1 hour time frame, my friends. So that little retracement on the 4 hour is an uptrend on the 1 hour. Now on the 4 hour here on the other side, very, very simple, very clean. We have a newfound resistance, newfound support. So I would probably hope that price comes back to my alerts me, trigger me in, and let me take a nice bite to the upside. And that's all I basically need here on the on the 4 hour time frame. Nothing too crazy. We are at a daily resistance right now, so we have to keep that in mind. 1 hour, boom boom, market structure, boom, take profit. New market structure was formed right there. So let me take you guys through this. Basically, we start from here. Boom, made a market structure point, so we take that, we place it there, boom, push to the upside right there, boom, it made it 88.6, cool, we take it, let's zoom in, boom boom, price goes up, retraces, boom, break, okay, boom, new market structure. And that's how I came with this Fibonacci. That Fibonacci is now boom boom, yeah, let's put it up there. Yeah, that's more accurate. There we go. So that is my 1 hour Fibonacci. So now I'm waiting for either prices pull back and gave us this impulse that we took today on the day, like earlier on. We took this buy up. So now, will it continue to the downside, or will the 23 hold and continue to the upside, since this 38.2 is a market structure point? That we have to just kind of wait and see what happens. So does anything match with our take profits? So we have a daily here, 4 hour here. Okay, so we may come back again to collect orders from this demand area, and that will be a 38.2. We'll have to wait and see. Take these off. God damn, hurts my ears because it's brand new and it's very tight. Anyway, so that is UJ, guys. That is UJ. I'm waiting for something deeper to come and play. 1 hour time frame here, same thing, nothing crazy. We came down, went up. We do have imbalance down here, so we have to keep that in mind. 30 minutes time frame. That is our beautiful trade for today. Bada bing, bada boom, perfect. And going down to lower time frame, such as 15. Now, even on a 15, let's see if price actually, yeah, look at that, 38.2 price on the 15 minute made a 38.2, and now resting at the, so it's the exact same 15 minute Fibonacci. It is exact the same as the what do you call it, 1 hour. So I'm gonna delete that now. We don't need it because we have it right here. Going down to smaller time frame here, but you see that now it's too dangerous. This is an entry time frame. We don't look at it for Fibonacci and stuff. We look at it to get a nice slow entry. That is it for you two guys. Like, I would it's a waiting game at this point. But anyway, moving on to GJ. This trade, man, this trade we got in on Fridays. last week Friday, and price actually gave us a nice impulse move. Now it's playing here, but yeah, target is up there, but we'll see. We may see even a deeper pullback or whatever, but let's clean it up and see what we can see here. So daily, we got a high, a low. That's all I need. Price respecting this area here. So what I would do, just kind of like a little mini zone there. Boom. That's what price is doing right now. Okay, that's all I need on the daily, really. 4-hour time frame. That explains what's happening here. You can see, boom, 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 and boom. Very clean stuff. Very clean. Look at that. Very clean zone. Okay. Daily, we have trend line. Boom, boom. Third touch. Are we gonna see a buy all the way up to there? We don't know yet. We'll see. A, B, and then could this be C? Because this was C, then it failed. This could have been C, it failed. This could have been C, it failed. This could have been. Will it fail, or will it eventually now actually push to the upside? So that is the daily. That's all I need. 4-hour time frame. Last market high, last market low. Retracing, playing around in this area around the 50% and 61.8. So yeah, we're vibing right here. I'm thinking we're gonna pull further up because we have an imbalance, we have a fair value gap, and we have a 78. So we'll see if we can, you know, travel all the way to the upside there. But this bearish engulfing is not looking great for potential buys, but we'll have to see. However, price really did make a brand new found support on 1-hour time frame, so therefore I would probably expect price to come back down to that area, collect some orders, and then push to the upside and finish this trade that we've been in for days. So that is the 4-hour time frame. ABC, boom, boom. Okay, cool, very simple. 1-hour time frame. Let's see. Same thing on the 1 hour, same Fibonacci. ABC, price made a market structure point there, and yeah, price is still literally playing within this Fibonacci. It hasn't completed it yet, so we're gonna have to, of course, wait and see. Price is just in the middle of nowhere. I would not take any buys or sells at this point. I will just wait. I like to take a buy from a very strong market structure point, like somewhere here, like where we took this entry. Beautiful, nice push to the upside. Yeah, that's really it for GJ. I mean, don't even bother go down to smaller time frames, because this shit almost never works. So stay on the higher time frame, guys. Stay on the higher time frame. So GJ, AUD USD, what's happening here? Jeez, it's so messy. Let's see. Daily and daily. Okay. Daily ABC price is, he's just short of the 38.2, man. Jeez, could this be the market structure point? Honestly, it could. Hey, after this bullish engulfing, I'm so tired. Let's delete that. We don't need it. Weekly, we are at a weekly support right now, so that's huge. So if we're at a weekly support and price barely made that, I'll probably think selling more than buying, to be fair. Just short term, at least. Short term here and then boom. But yeah, 4-hour time frame, there is our market structure for our A, B. Why is it down there? Okay, hold on. So if we put it there, this could be it, you know. It retraced, okay, settled at the 50, came down, made a new low. So should we take the new low? And now we're above the 61.8. We haven't closed the gap, so price will travel up, play around here, close the gap, and then maybe move down. Interesting, interesting. Okay. Sure. Okay. For our resistance and weekly, huge, 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 huge. 1 hour, A, B, C. Okay. So no trade. Our beautiful UJ. Oh wow, jeez, look at Bitcoin actually playing off the Fibonacci that I had here. So I had two, right? One from down here, one down here, and then the 4-hour Fib was from point A to point B. Price came back 50%, and now look at that, traveling upwards to TP. So Bitcoin to $25,600. GG's. That is where Bitcoin's headed, guys. That's where Bitcoin's headed. Yeah, price is everywhere right now. There's not really a point where I'd be like, I don't think the pairs that I'm trading, there's something that I'm interested in at the moment. So there's no trade tonight. Let's see here what we can. Wow, look at that. Inivit. Wow, it really never came down. Let's see this one. Never. Sure. Okay. Let's put that there above a weekly. God damn. Yeah, guys, is there any pair that you guys are looking at and want me to break down? Because the pairs that I'm trading, the pairs that I'm looking at, everything is in the middle of something. So nothing's like, you know, nothing at a confluence, except the most confluence that I have is this one. We have at a weekly resistance, we have 4-hour resistance, waiting for price to make a nice market structure point before dropping, and that could take the whole night. Waiting on UJ to come back down, make another high low before then maybe selling it, but we'll see. Anyway, any Lucia, hello, welcome to the stream. Any pair, Lucia, you want me to break down? Anything you guys, because the pairs that I'm looking at, there's really nothing lining up, and I'm not in any rush to really take a trade because I'm very happy about today's trade here. Beautiful, man, beautiful, beautiful trade. Sheesh. Close some positions there. 250 there easily. This man is floating at $50. $106 floating. 20, 50, geez, this man is killing it. Signals has been on fire, I'm not gonna lie. Like the signals have been on fire. Every trade's been a very nice TP hit, except one. We've lost one trade. Yeah, this is the GJ, the buy, and then boom, and then that's where GJ is now. Literally moved all the way. That was a nice run. Yeah, that was a good trade today. And you're very lucky, because the moment you joined, and that's when I sent it. Like it was very close. You'd like me to break down gold for you? Sure. Okay, let's break down gold, guys. Let's look at gold. I don't usually trade gold with small accounts. If you don't have, like, I don't know, a 10k and above account, I don't recommend gold, just because it's why are you trading gold? Why are you putting so much risk on yourself and on your account? You can make so much more money. You can make as much money as you can make from gold trading other currency pairs, less volatile, less riskier, all that stuff. I don't know, people are just drawn to the whole I trade gold, sounds cool, and just because this guy does it, I'm gonna do it too. This guy, no, just find your pair, man. Find your pair. I don't give a shit what my pair is. It could be freaking, it could be Czar Mexican. I don't care, as long as I'm profitable on it, and it's nice, and I'm enjoying the profits and everything. Just scale your lot size. GBP AUD. Okay, so with gold first, let's look at gold. So with gold is now resting at a market structure point, right? This could be our lower high point for price to make a lower low. So price is now at a 61.8, very crucial. Forget gold, you don't want gold. Okay, you know what, let's break it down for those who it's fine, we have time. Let's break it down. So price made a push to the downside, price retraced all the way to 61.8, and price has rejected this area 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, and now today's the 4th day. And today, the 4th day, we could very well see a nice drop or a nice impulse move, because this support has held, well, now resistance, my bad, this is a resistance right now. This resistance has been holding for 4 days almost. Today is the 4th. Why is it holding? Well, because look to the left, we have a weekly resistance, we have a daily resistance, and that's why price has been holding that area very well. So let me show you how I found that weekly resistance. Look at this. This weekly resistance go way back. Resistance, 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 and then support, 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 and now are we gonna use it as resistance again? That's how I identified my weekly support resistance. So 4-hour time frame. Now we know on the daily we are at a very crucial point in the market, so let's keep that in mind, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen. Let's keep that in mind. So going back to the 4-hour time frame. Now on the 4-hour time frame, the last market structure high was down up here, and then that is the low. So the high and the low. Now on the 4-hour, price retraced all the way to 78.6, and now it's doing like some sort of a head and shoulder pattern. You can say, I don't trade patterns, but for those who do, this could be your shoulder, left, head, and another shoulder could form to then a drop. But I don't need to head and shoulder, man and women, all that stuff. You don't need none of that. You can just look at market structure, you can look at price action, Fibonacci's. That's all you need, and you should be Gucci. moving averages are under, but on the daily we are below, so therefore dailies are more reliable. So that's why I never really have almost any indicators on my charts, because they're always different and laggy and behind. Anyway, boom boom boom, retracing, cool. And on the 4-hour time frame here, we have 4-hour up here. I will put an alert there because that could be a very like sniper entry sell if price triggers us in from that supply area to take it down. Our brand new found support on the 4 hours down here. So yeah, price could very well wick to the upside, close this gap, boom boom, settle at the 88.6, and from that point onward, price could very well much start selling. 1 hour time frame is the last and the smallest 1 hour I would go to, which is this. So on the 1 hour, market structure made a low, high, higher low, and now busy forming the higher high. Hasn't yet finished, but the take profit level, my negative 27, lies perfectly next to this level right here, right? So there's a huge possibility that price could push up, push down, give us the nice low scalp sell, and then push up, final time, complete this 1 hour fib for a last higher high before price melting down. But obviously these are all probabilities. The market is a probability game. The market is unpredictable. We can just react and adapt once we see what's happening. Yeah, that is gold. So GBP AUD. Okay, let's look at GBP AUD. I don't even have it in any of my lists because I never trade that pair, but let's look at it. GBP AUD. Oh, look at that. I have some structure on it here. Wow, oh my god. When was this? The 27th of June 2022. Sheesh. That's a few months ago. I took a nice trade. Look at that. Take profit hit. Sniper entry, boys. Oh man, can't believe I found this. Okay, it's fine. Let's delete it. Fuck it. Okay. So let's clean our charts. Remove drawings. Remove drawings. There is none here. Okay, let's go daily. Let's go weekly and weekly. So always do your analysis on the weekly time frame first, right? Always start on the weekly. Now on the weekly, very simple. I can identify my support. We have a weekly support here. Look at that. Boom 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 boom, all the way back, and you can just keep going. But that is my weekly supports. This could be my weekly resistance, and it go way back. Look at that. Support, resistance, 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 so resistance, support, and so on and so forth. That's all I need. Literally, that's all I need for. Actually, you can argue in putting one down here. You can see it played out. So yeah, that's fine. We can put one there. It's okay. Let's put one there. Nah. Here. You can argue. I mean, if you're really pushing it, you can place one down here. That's if you're really pushing it, because this is a nice level too. Look at that. Boom boom boom. Very clean. That's fine. Look at that. We have 4 levels. It's all right. Daily time frame. Nice profit. Yeah. I sometimes when I go back to like charts that I haven't looked at for long, I find trades that I took from long ago, and it's funny how to see how yeah, anyway. So GBP AUD, we have a daily support here. Whoa, okay, we have a daily resistance. So this has been pierced, this one has been taken, this one has been taken, this one has been taken. They all have been taken, this one too. Okay, so boom, for our newfound support, right there, newfound support. You can argue one down here as well. Boom. We have 4-hour support. We are now at a very nice 4-hour support level. Looking at 1 hour time frame. Yeah, so if it breaks, it'll probably retest, continue down here. If it doesn't break, it's gonna probably head back up. That's yeah, one of the two. So now we've identified support, resistance, all that good stuff, right? Now what do? We go back to our second chart here, and we start from the daily, and we start marking our market structure points. So starting from up here, boom, boom, I know for a fact that is it. From here to here, that is it. From here to here, let's be sure. Yeah, it made a market structure point, that's fine. So now from here, what was it, AB? Okay, from here it came all the way down to here, pushed up, never made a market structure point, right? Cool. We carry on to the lowest point, and price literally never even settled at the 38.2. There is a big gap. Yes, like you mean this whole drop here on like the weekly, like imbalance? Is that what you're talking about? Oh no, that's that we need to make it yellow for daily. And let's clone that. Boom. Yes, yeah. So potential buys basically. But obviously price has been consolidating. This is a huge consolidation. What I would personally do is even do something like this. Just literally highlight this area and wait for price to break out of the shit, because this is insane. Right there, I would highlight that area and honestly put an alert above, below, and just wait for price to completely break this whole consolidation area that price is in right now. This is insane, you know. But you can always find trades within, you know. You don't have to obviously you can find trades within, but it's very difficult to identify direction on smaller time frame when price, that's all it's doing, it's going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So like, you know what I'm saying, it's a little bit more difficult to trade consolidations. but you can for sure find a way to trade it. I can show you how, but you know, huge range. Yeah, it's madness. This pair, as a matter of fact, this pair is very volatile. I mean, look at this wick. Have you ever seen a wick this big on a daily time frame? This wick is literally 1000 pip. Have you ever seen a wick that's 1000 pips? I'm telling you, this pair is very dangerous. Like, look here, what the fuck is that? This pair, yeah, I would stay away from pairs like this. Honestly, stay away from pairs like this. Why would you need to trade that shit? Imagine you're in a cell, right? And you forget to, let's say you're in a cell, you're chilling, you're like, okay, I'm gonna put an alert, and then if price hit my alert, I'll close my stop loss. Chilling, your phone dies, you go to the bathroom, you leave your phone, you come back, and price is all the way up here, and there's your account. You owe your broker money now. This is not good for us. It's really not. Yeah, I would stay away from pairs like that, but this is it. You wanted a breakdown, so there you go. Here's your breakdown. So let's keep that on the daily box, actually, because I don't want to see it while I'm busy explaining you know, my 4-hour time frame as well. So now sheesh, okay, so we have, oh my god, there's so much going on. Look at this. Price has been in this fib since the 5th of May. Today is obviously the 9th of August. Whew. You sure you want to trade this pair? Looking at one, I mean, okay, let's forget about the higher time frame. Higher time frame, we massive consolidation, whatever, fuck it. Let's go back to, let's drop down. So what you can do is find trades like this, but look at these spikes, right? That is the only thing that like really puts me off when it comes to this pair. Let's say, cool, okay, you have your break of structure, you put a fib from point A to point B, boom, price retraced, you enter. I mean, you could find 3 months, no way. Yeah, it's been consolidating for 3 freaking months. So imagine being stuck in a buy or a sell, and price is just moving sideways for 3 months. But you can now very much argue and find trades within, you know, 100%. So you can even say something like this. You can put a fib from point A, never made a market structure, never made. So yeah, you could wait for a pullback, continuation, but how do you know it's going to continue? Because it's consolidating. So yeah, so honestly, yeah, just focus on these pairs that I focus on. They're so simple and they work like a charm. Honestly, GJ, beautiful market structure, respects price action, everything, right? You just gotta really understand how this one, listen, this one is also more advanced. I'm telling you, GJ is also more advanced. It's volatile, but not as volatile as the other pairs. So I focus on GJ, I focus on AUDSD, nice low, you know, also respects market structure. And UJ is also such a beautiful pair that, look at, it's very clean, almost no spikes, very minimum spikes, clean structure. So just do that, you know, just do that. Any pair that you're not profitable on or you're struggling, just leave it alone. I promise you, leave it alone. You're not missing out on anything. As a matter of fact, you're just gonna lose money being you know, greedy and wanting to trade that pair. Just leave it, move on, find a different pair. Anyway, I hope that helped, guys. I hope that helped. Just, are you happy with the breakdown so far? Are you happy with everything? Guys, are you guys happy with everything? Drop a 1 in the chats if you understand, if you're good. And if you have any questions, just let me know your question. Otherwise, just drop a 1 so we can wrap it up, because there is literally no trade for tonight. Personally, GJ respects the zones very well. Yeah, exactly. That's why I like to trade it, you know. That's why I like to trade it. Look at this: A, B, C, D. Very well. Cool. Perfect. I'm glad we all cool and understand each other. Yeah, but yeah, that would be me, guys. That would be me for tonight live stream. Nothing too crazy, just a little breakdown, talking to you guys about everything. And yeah, I will see you guys, those of you who are in the Discord. I'll see you guys inside. And yeah, cheers. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Maybe I'll do a live stream tomorrow, like New York session. We'll see. Yeah, take care, guys. Bye.